And then finally, in a similar vein with this mismatched ID scenario and how we can go about avoiding that problem in the future, for example, if I have a user who comes in the office crying, my laptop fell in the pool, it's not working, and then for whatever reason I can't get the data off of the hard drive, I could then be in a situation where I don't have an ID file for that user. So, of course, the user doesn't want to lose their email, they don't want to lose their NAB, all that kind of good stuff that's part of them and their Notes experience. So Notes actually has a really nice feature in the registration process, and that when you go ahead and you register a user, as long as you define the exact same name, that's first, any middle name that may exist, and last name values, as long as you provide the exact same information, when I go and register that person, I will actually get a pop-up that the person already exists, and it will ask me, do I want to merge that account? So just to take a moment here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to re-register Marie Curie. And I'm going to use a very secure password. I know that this is not security best practice, but we're just going to use that for the sake of argument. And then I want to make sure I take the step of setting the mail system to none, because I don't want to overwrite the mail file that already exists, and there's no reason for me to create a dummy mail file. So I then go ahead and I can set up other things here. Okay. I do not want to put my ID in the Domino directory because that would be bad from security best practices perspective. And I'll just go ahead and I'll set this to mcurie2. And I will go ahead and register this person. So very quickly it says an entry with the specified person exists. Do I want to update it? Yes, I do. So what it's now done is it's created a new ID for Marie Curie, which is called mcurie2 on my hard drive. And also it has updated the person document public key information with that new key. So now I can go ahead and I can give this ID to Marie Curie on her workstation, and she will be fine in terms of using Notes moving forward. But just one last thing that I need to do. I need to go in here to a person document and I need to change the mail system back to Notes. And then voila, I have all of my information about Marie's mail server and mail file. The only thing that you have to replace is the domain value. And now Marie Curie has a new ID and Marie Curie has her mail file configuration set back.